Alright, today I'm taking a look at the VICOODA 4-pack upgraded LED work light. Oh, that's cool. So they all come individually packaged, so if you want to just buy the one box, you can hand them out like this and it looks like you never even opened them. So let's take a look at what we got. So we got USB-A to micro USB. And these look like nice, oh wow, yeah, that's pretty bright. So we got bright, and then like power saving, and then we got a pin light on top. And one thing I can say, because I use work lights all the time, is that they're almost always like you stick it on here and the light shines forward. The ability to stick it on and then have it pointing down, pointing at any weird angle, and even spinning around backwards, that's really nice. It's got a magnetic base and a hook. So I can even hang it in places where the magnet wouldn't work. So that's cool. So this thing has a really nice magnet, which is extremely important for me because I often have to put it on rounded surfaces, and having a flat surface like this, I mean, that's ideal, but having a rounded surface, more like that, sometimes that gives you trouble. So having the ability to hang it from even really tiny objects like this is pretty impressive. So that's fantastic. And there's only 3 functions, so I don't have to sit there and keep on tapping it over and over and over and over. So really cool there. Now if I want to get the red LED, I press and hold. And I got red. So that is eye saving. So if I want to work in a dark area, but I want to be able to, go from this area over to another area that doesn't have light, this is going to allow me to still see what I'm doing, but not blind me anytime I look away. So that's really cool. Pretty cool. They all come with their own charger, they all come with their own manual, their own packaging, they all got the magnet and the hook, and they put out plenty of light. So, pretty awesome little lights.